As explained by the Russian state-owned company Rostec on July 10, 2025, the Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, have formally introduced a new operational role for the Sukhoi Su-34 fighter bomber, which will now also serve as a tactical reconnaissance platform in addition to its primary ground attack function. The announcement coincided with the delivery of another batch of Su-34s to frontline tactical aviation units by the United Aircraft Corporation (UAC), part of the Rostec State Corporation. These deliveries were executed under the ongoing state defense order, and UAC stated its intent to increase production rates for the Su-34 during the year. Fighter aircraft have been used for reconnaissance purposes since the Second World War, when high-speed fighters such as the Supermarine Spitfire and P-51 Mustang were converted into unarmed reconnaissance variants equipped with photographic cameras. These aircraft were used to conduct visual reconnaissance over enemy positions while relying on their speed and altitude to evade interception. Modern fighter jets, when used for reconnaissance tasks, provide several advantages compared to more traditional airborne surveillance platforms. Their high subsonic or supersonic speeds allow them to conduct reconnaissance over contested areas and withdraw before detection or engagement, reducing exposure time to enemy air defenses. Compared to larger ISR platforms, fighters possess enhanced maneuverability and can operate at variable altitudes and flight profiles, making them more difficult to intercept and offering greater mission flexibility. Additionally, these aircraft are typically equipped with onboard self-protection systems, including radar warning receivers, electronic countermeasures, and in some cases air-to-air missiles, which increase their survivability in airspace that contains both kinetic and electronic threats. By using external pods such as optical electronic systems, synthetic aperture radar, or signals intelligence modules, fighters can perform reconnaissance tasks while retaining the ability to conduct strike missions during the same sortie if required. This dual-role capability allows for efficient tasking, greater tactical responsiveness, and reduced reliance on specialized ISR fleets, especially in environments where airspace control is contested or where strategic assets are unavailable. The Sukhoi Su-34 fullback is a Soviet-origin, twin-seat, twin-engine, supersonic fighter bomber derived from the Su-27 airframe. Development began in June 1986 under the designation T-10V, with the first flight of a prototype occurring on the 13th of April 1990. It was designed to replace the Su-24 and to provide long-range strike capability in contested airspace. Serial production began in 2005 at the Novosibirsk aircraft plant named after V.P. Chkalov. The Su-34 entered service on the 21st of March 2014. It has a wingspan of 14.7 meters, a length of 23.3 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight of 45,000 kilograms. The aircraft is powered by two AL-31FM1 turbofan engines, offering a top speed of 1,900 kilometers per hour and a maximum ferry range of 4,500 kilometers without refueling, and up to 7,000 kilometers with drop tanks and in-flight refueling. The operational ceiling is between 14,650 and 17,000 meters. The aircraft's SH-141 radar provides terrain following and ground mapping capabilities, with a detection range of 250 kilometers for large targets and 90 kilometers for fighter-type aircraft. The Su-34 can simultaneously track up to 10 and engage up to 4 airborne targets. A rearward-facing radar system designated N012 was originally intended, but was reportedly replaced by an auxiliary power unit. The upgraded Su-34M variant reintroduces rearward threat detection capability using the Capio-DL radar. The Su-34 has been equipped to perform tactical reconnaissance missions using the SICK Universal Reconnaissance Pod system, developed in 3 variants for radiotechnical, radar, and optical surveillance. This pod can be externally mounted and allows the aircraft to collect real-time intelligence while remaining armed for strike operations. The aircraft is also equipped with electronic warfare systems, such as the Kibani L-175V and Sorbitsia S L-005S, which significantly reduce its vulnerability to radar-guided air defense systems. These systems can be combined with anti-radiation missiles, like the KH-58 and KH-31P, with ranges between 120 and 250 kilometers. These features were tested during the 2008 war in Georgia, the Syrian campaign beginning in 2015, and the full-scale war in Ukraine since 2022. During operations in Syria, Su-34s were forward deployed to Hamimim Air Base and temporarily to Hamadan Air Base in Iran. The total number of Su-34 aircraft delivered to the Russian Aerospace Forces has exceeded 150 units, including pre-production aircraft. Deliveries were conducted under several contracts: 5 aircraft in 2005, 32 under a 2008 contract, 92 under a 2012 agreement, and 24 aircraft under a 2020 contract. As of 2024, the VKS operated 102 standard Su-34s and approximately 22 Su-34M units. Units equipped with the Su-34 include the 47th Bomber Regiment, Voronezh, the 277th, Khabarovsk, and the 559th, Rostov, with additional aircraft assigned to the Lipetsk Training Center and the Oktyabinsk Flight Test Center. 4 Su-34s have been deployed to Syria. Algeria also signed a contract in 2019 for 14 Su-34s. In 2025, UAC confirmed the delivery of 2 more Su-34s on the 18th of April as part of the ongoing procurement plan.